In addition to the content that we've seen structured into topics, we also have models. And you can see here for each of the main industries, we have got a downloadable model that you can use as a template. And we have a playlist that describes not just how to complete the model itself, but also a bit of background about the industry. So if I jumped into the oil and gas playlist, you can see here, it talks a little bit about the industry before then going into actually how to complete the model. In addition to the industry models, we also have the main transaction models that you will find in banking. The valuation models, trading comps, transaction comps, WACC, DCF, divestiture analysis, LBO models, and some of the models are both basic models and advanced models too. So this really is a tool that covers almost everything that you would want to know in finance.